Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use meditative voices on 11labs. So the first thing you have to do is go to this website 11labs.io and scroll to the voices section. Now choose the relaxing and meditative option here. Then once you click on it, it should bring you to a page similar to this. All you have to do is to now sample each voice to make sure they correspond with what you're looking for your project.
The room was silent, but in that silence, the rain falls gently.
So you can sample each voice, and once you have a voice that speaks to you and your project, you can proceed to add them to my voices selection, my voices option here, and then you can use them for your project. If this video has helped you in a way, please leave a like below and comment. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.